Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can accept donations in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and now I want to add a donation plugin. So here we can go in website dashboard. You can also go directly from the plugin section. Okay. And now click here, add new plugin. Now you can install a free plugin. Here you can type Givewp. Scroll down, here you can see this one, 1 lakh plus active installations with 4.9 star ratings. Okay, you can install this plugin free of cost. And now activate. And now you will be redirected to the setup page, so where we can easily do and complete the plugin settings. Okay, so click on start setup, and now here you can select one of the option. So you can do it personal, okay, organization and other. So this one is okay, and after that here you can select what are you funding for. Okay, so these are the popular categories, and if that category is not listed then you can select the other. Okay, so let me select this one, education, and here you can select this one if you want to help them. Okay, then click here continue button, and now here you can select the location. So let me keep it as it is. Okay, and select the state, then you can select the currency. Okay, then click here continue button, and now here you can see these are 6 options, so you can select one of these. So I think this one is the best donation goal. Okay, scroll down and click here continue button. Okay, now you will get this type of form. Now scroll down and again click here continue button, and we got again 6 options. So for recurring, that means you can get donations again and again. Okay, and here you can also check these other options. I think this one is good option. Okay, so for this make sure that you have a PayPal business account. Okay, then scroll down and click here continue button. And now the most important thing is you need to connect your Stripe or PayPal account. Okay, so I think PayPal is best if you don't have Stripe account. Okay, and now let's see how you can add this form into any page. So simply you can go into any page and make sure that you have installed a classic editor plugin so that you see this interface. Okay, and now here we can add page name, donate, then click here shortcode, and now here you can select donation form goal. So you will get a shortcode for everything. So for example, let me select this one, and now here we need to select that campaign. Okay, so now if you want to show some text then you can enable, otherwise you can just click on insert shortcode, then click here publish button. And now let's view this page on the front side. Okay, you can also add this page in the menu. You can go here and click on menu button, and now here you can add that page into the menu. So this one is the page, click here add to menu. Okay, let me drag it on the top, then click on save menu. Now let's go and visit the website on the front side. Okay, now this one is the page, click here. So now here you can see we got only this one, donation goal. Now let's go back, and here we need to add donation form. Okay, Let me remove this and select this one. And now here, if you want to enable the title, then you can select this one, show. And also you can display the content and other options, then click here, insert. Okay, now we need to select this campaign, then insert shortcode, then again go back and update. Now let's go back and reload this page. Okay, now here you can see we got our donation form. So donator can easily select the donation amount. He can also select a custom amount and then click on donate button. Okay, this is overall process, but make sure that you have selected your and connected your PayPal account. Okay, so in this way you can easily add donation functionality in your WordPress website.